Hey plant lovers, welcome to Farm and Food Channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of growing sweet, colorful bell peppers in containers, right from seed to harvest. Whether you've got a balcony, a backyard, walls, or just a sunny window, you can grow your own fresh bell peppers at home. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share some secret tips to make your peppers grow bigger, brighter, and tastier than store-bought ones. Step 1. Choose the right container and soil. Select a container that is at least 12-14 inches deep and has drainage holes. Use loamy, well-draining soil enriched with compost for nutrients. But why containers? They're incredibly space-saving, turning balconies and patios into productive mini farms. You also gain superior control. It's far easier to manage pests when plants are elevated, and you have total command over your soil, creating the perfect nutrient-rich environment. And let's not forget portability. You can chase the sun across your patio or quickly move plants to safety from an unexpected frost or a blistering heat wave, giving them the perfect conditions all day long. For this method, choose the right home for your pepper plants. This is a critical decision. Bell peppers are hungry plants with extensive root systems, so they need space. For a happy, productive plant, you'll need a pot that's at least 3 gallons, but a 5-gallon container is the gold standard, and it should be at least 12 inches deep. A larger pot holds more soil, which means it retains moisture longer and provides more nutrients. This prevents your pepper from becoming root-bound, a condition that stunts growth and drastically reduces your harvest. Equally important is drainage. Your container have drainage holes. Peppers despise wet feet, and sitting in soggy soil will quickly lead to root rot. If you find the perfect pot without holes, you can easily drill some yourself. When it comes to material, plastic pots are lightweight and retain moisture well. For a pro-level setup, consider fabric grow bags. They provide fantastic drainage and aeration, which air prunes the roots, encouraging a healthier root system and preventing root rot. Step 2. Soil preparation. Bell peppers need a nutrient-rich, well-draining mix. Here's my perfect recipe. 40% high-quality potting soil, 30% compost or organic matter, 20% cocoa coir or peat moss, 10% perlite for aeration. This mix keeps the soil fluffy, holds just enough moisture, and feeds your plant all season long. Pro tip: add crushed eggshells for calcium. It prevents blossom end rot, the #1 issue with peppers. Step 3. Planting seeds or seedlings. You can start seeds indoors 6-8 weeks before the last frost or buy seedlings. Plant seeds about 1/4 inch deep and keep the soil moist until germination. For the best chance at success, always start with fresh seeds. Check the date on the packet. You have a whole world of bell peppers to choose from. Will you go for a classic blocky California wonder? Or maybe a sweet and compact mini bell perfect for patios? You can find varieties in a rainbow of colors. Vibrant reds, sunny yellows, deep purples, and of course classic green. You don't want to plant them too deep. A good rule of thumb is about 1/4 inch down. Any deeper, and the tiny seedling might run out of energy before it reaches the sunlight. Plant 2 to 3 seeds per spot. This is a little insurance policy to make sure at least one strong seedling germinates. We'll pick the strongest one later on. Gently water them in. Your goal is to keep the soil consistently moist, like a well-wrung-out sponge, but never waterlogged or soggy, as this can rot the seeds. To really speed up germination, create a warm, humid environment. Bell pepper seeds love temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. You can even cover your container with plastic wrap to create a mini greenhouse. In about a week to 10 days, you should see your first little green sprouts pushing through the soil. Step 4. Provide proper care and conditions. Place container in a sunny spot, 6-8 HRs a day. Water regularly but avoid waterlogging. Maintain slightly moist soil. Pro tip: water at the base of the plant, not the leaves. Wet leaves attract fungal diseases. Fertilize every 2-3 weeks with a balanced or tomato fertilizer. To get big, juicy peppers, you'll need to feed them. Start with a balanced fertilizer like October 10-10 when the plant is young. Once flowers appear, switch to a fertilizer higher in potassium and phosphorus. Step 5. Pest management and support. Like any plant, peppers have enemies: aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. Don't panic. Spray leaves with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Introduce ladybugs if you're adventurous. Keep the plant clean and remove infected leaves quickly. As your peppers grow taller, they'll need support. Use stakes, cages, or simple bamboo sticks. Pruning is also important. Remove yellow leaves and trim excess side shoots. Pro tip: pinch off the first few flowers. It encourages stronger root and stem growth. Step 6. Harvesting. Finally, the best part, harvest time. Bell peppers usually mature in 60-90 days. You can pick them green or wait until they turn red, yellow, or orange for maximum sweetness. Use scissors, don't pull them off. Harvest when peppers reach the desired size and color, green, red, yellow, etc. Pick regularly to encourage new growth. To grow bell peppers at home in containers, start by choosing a large, well-drained pot and nutrient-rich soil. Plant seeds or seedlings, then provide consistent sunlight, watering, and fertilizer. As the plant matures, support it with stakes and harvest peppers when they ripen. With proper care, you can enjoy a continuous supply of fresh, colorful bell peppers right from your home. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening wisdom. We'd love to see your results, so share your journey in the comments. Until next time, happy growing, and may your peppers always be fresh and colorful.